Hey guys, so people always ask me that how can they optimize their website, especially if they have a lot of images. So if you deal with the images, so let's suppose if you have the e-commerce system, then definitely you have a lot of images, or even if you have the images or the system where people or the user list their products or the some kind of items, then definitely they will upload the maximum images. So if you are showing those images as it is without compressing, then definitely you will face a lot of problems, especially the loading time, the performance problem, and also the user experience problem. And you are losing a lot of organic traffic if you talk about the SEO, because it will hurt your SEO. Okay, so now I'm using Shexify. It's a tool, it's an online tool. Just go to the compress images. I'm just going to show you that this is the beauty of the Shexify. Okay, so these are the two images. 150 KB image, it's a background transparent, and it's a PNG image. So as you can see, 150 KB image, it's compressing this file to 47 KB, just 47 KB. That means you can save up to 60 to 70% file size if you are using this tool without compromising your image quality. Okay, so let's try it. uh, Let me just select an image. Okay, so this is the image. As you can see, 236 KB image. Just drag and drop. It's super fast. You saved 70%, and the new size is 71 KB. Download the image to check the quality. Now first of all, check the converted quality. So this is the quality. You can check. As you can see, this is the zoom 161% zoom. Okay, so now let's check out the quality, the original one. So this is the original one, 161, same quality. Okay, if we talk about another image, so let's suppose if we are selecting this image, so drag and drop. It's 5.34 MB image. So let's suppose if you are uploading the maximum file size, the system upload, or it takes time to upload the image, to compress the image, and definitely your internet speed also involved. So 47% you have saved from 534 to 282. Just download the image to check the image quality. So this is the image quality. As you can see, this is the image quality. Check out the image quality. It's 1110%, 133%, and this is the original image. So as you can see, if you go to zoom, okay, so this is the original one, original one, and the converted we have already showed you. This is the converted image without losing your file. Okay, so let's suppose if you want to have okay, so now I'm going to check. It's around 52 MB image, 5.19 image. Drag and drop your image and wait for a few seconds. It's super fast. So as you can see, converting, and it's saving. So if you have a pro account, you can process 6 images at the same time. So now as you can see, once you process the previous image, then the system initiate a new request to send or compress the images. So, fine. 48% save, 47% save, 46% save. So you can save up to 60%. Okay, so this is the special kind of scenario. So you have the file size. As you can see, it's compressed 0%. Why? Because the system analyzed this image and the system thinks that you don't need to compress this image. This is also compressed image. So as you can see, percent, 0%, 0%, 0%, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. So you can download one by one from here, or you can click on the download button or the download all button to download all your files in zip folder. So as you can see, this is zip folder, and this is the 27.0 MB image, the original one, 52 MB image. So I think you will save, or you can save 40 to 50% images. So okay, fine. So let's suppose if I say that this is the compress, sorry, and drag and drop all the images here which we have just compressed to check the file size. As you can see, 27, but from 52 MB to 27. So that means you always save 45 to 50%. Okay, so let's check the quality. So if you just click on this one, so this is a converted image. As you can see, this is the quality, and the file size is just 2.81 MB. Okay, so let's go to the original image. So this is the original image. It's a 5.34 MB image. So as you can see, this is the quality.